Hey guys, good morning. So it's a Sunday morning again, and as you can see, it's now 6:34 in the morning. So we are going to have an interstate travel today, as the place is about 110 kilometers from here. So we will be going in this chilled weather. As you can see, it's very cold out here now. It's near about, I guess, 17 or 16 degrees. बट ट्रस्ट में आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि ये टेम्परेचर उससे भी ज़्यादा कम है बिकॉज इट्स फ्रीजिंग कोल्ड। सो अच्छे से अपनी केयर करो और आई होप आप सबकी दिवाली बहुत अच्छी गई होगी। सो या लेट्स बिगिन द जर्नी आफ्टर अ गैप आई गेस। हाँ, काफ़ी गैप हो गया वैसे। चलो, एंड बाय द वे, गुड मॉर्निंग अगेन एंड हैव अ नाइस डे। हे गाइस वेलकम। सो हमने जैसा शुरू किया था, फर्स्ट टाइम दिस प्लेस आई एम विजिटिंग हियर बिकॉज many people recommended also to once visit this place. It is near about 100 kilometers from Nagpur. You can also search it on your Google, that Kukdi Khapa Waterfall, located in Madhya Pradesh. I guess 2 hours is maximum time which you will require here to reach. Basically, it's a type of waterfall, and it is a actual waterfall, I can say, for a good one, because it has the proper terrain as you can see here. And also, I would like to show you one thing. Just wait. So this is the actual terrain over here. I'm just giving you a short glimpse of this. And yes, one can keep this in your checklist if you want to come here. Yes, this is the actual terrain over here, and the look is just so good that you can sit here for hours and just you can spend your day with your friends. But yeah, also you have to be very careful because it is slightly on the higher side. The altitude is very high over here, and yeah, that's about it. Rainy season would be the best time to visit this place because it has a tremendous nature beauty and all that stuff. So that was the place around, and there is not much near about this place, and I will be searching more such places, and I would like to wander more and show you as well the best places. First of all, it was a bit of a task for finding this place because it was not so easy to find, as it is in the deep. It's around 7.5 to 8 kilometers inside from the main highway, which is the Nagpur Chinmada highway, you can say. But otherwise, it's a good place. You can come here and you can hang out with your friends over here. You can also bring your family, and there is no as such any public washroom or anything like that. You can hardly get any snacks corner, and yeah, you guys cannot believe, यहाँ पे अभी इतनी भीड़ हो गई है। हमको यहाँ पे आए अभी बस आधा घंटा हुआ है और बहुत लोग आ गए अभी यहाँ पे। वेल, इट्स नाउ क्लोज टू नून। तो अब जैसे आज छुट्टी का दिन है तो सबको अच्छा लगता है यहाँ तक आने के लिए। सी द व्यू गाइस, व्यू इज़ सो अमेजिंग। थोड़ा सनलाइट की वजह से मेरे को बेयर कर लेना, क्योंकि आई एम नॉट वेयरिंग एनी गॉगल्स और एनी शेड्स।